What's up guys, this is Ace from the 12-hour shift. So, andito na naman tayo para sa another budol. And I know a lot of you, a lot of gamers, a lot of work from home or freelancer would relate on this. Syempre, when we invest on things like gaming chair, it's prone to wear and tear. And some of the things that mauunang masira sa gaming chair is yung armrest. Like this. Ang problem is when we constantly putting our kamay or arms on the armrest, it tends to like break because of the sweats and the heat, and mine are deteriorating. I bought this gaming chair. I invested on this. It's kind of pricey. I bought this last 2015. Without further ado, let's do this. I got the package, so unboxing natin ito. And you have to consider na yung size ng gaming chair, ng armrest ng gaming chair. Meron tayong pwedeng ibigay, and just comment on the comment section or put your comments in the comment section. Ask for something and I'll try to answer it. So right now, this is it. I was skeptic, thinking that baka Jologs na naman to, another failure when it comes to buying online. So, here it is. Tignan nyo. Look at the quality. Parang pinaka-original ng gaming chair. And I did double check. It's freaking compatible with my gaming chair. By the way, my gaming chair is an AK Racing. Tignan nyo. Lalagay natin, and I'm gonna show you how I installed it. Sobrang deteriorating na ng aking gaming chair, but let's put it. Meron na siyang kasamang indicator kung saan nyo siya ilalagay para hindi na kayo malito. Left and right. That's LR. So, ito na nga at ating idadub ang ating pag-install. Sobrang easy to install. Hopefully, the screw under your armchair is not loosened enough para, or loosen na yung thread, and it's so easy. Just uninstall or unscrew the screw under your armchair and install the new one. Tingnan nyo, hindi ko pa ginamit yung aking electric screw para makita nyo kung gaano kadali. I fast forwarded para mas mabilis, pero it took me like roughly 5 minutes for me to fix this. Ayan, tignan nyo, sobrang so I'm gonna be honest with you, sobrang saya ko nakita ko ito, kasi since hindi tayo na-approvean sa Secret Lab for this year and the next year and the next year, i-enjoyin ko na ito. Maayos pa rin naman yung base ng arm ng gaming chair ko. Ito lang yung isa, tapos kailangan ko lang bumili ng wet and dry na vacuum cleaner para malinis na to ng sobra. Ayan o, sige mo, sobrang moist na siya and all. Bumili ako ng leather, pero syempre every year pinapalitan ko rin, and sana ito maging effective, and I'm happy. I'm so happy. Marami rin akong binibili na hindi ko ginagawa ng content, kasi the only thing that I want to do is provide review on the things that I enjoyed. So click the yellow basket or put the comment, check on the comment section para ma-enjoy nyo ang inyong mga lumang gaming chair. Let's go!